Holy shit. It's Galaxy Girl and welcome back to my channel. Today we are out here in Ethanville. We're going on a crazy hike. We're about to cross this bridge right here. And honestly, we're about to have a fucking adventure. So go ahead and give us a thumbs up and let's get it. It's so gorgeous though. Like what? On the camera it looks like pinkish. Like oh my goodness. Try and get the vlog really quick.
Gotcha.
Like we're doing it. Like I probably got to fall.
Doing it.
You know, can't be walking backwards like this, but we're doing it anyways.
Forest type shit.
Wait, it's about to be crazy.
Oh. Yeah, got the snap in the vlog real quick.
Didn't we like have to go off somewhere?
Go off, Carol. Go off, Carol. Look at this. We're almost there. We're almost down to the waterfall. That's exclusive. We're gonna go swimming down there. Like, okay. Squad is ready. On your face. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! Gang, gang, gang.
We almost made it.
Look at this. We actually got stairs here. Like, it's lit. This is the hype for pussies, low-key. We're not sure if this is the right location. Like, we're here, but is this where we're going?
I got the pictures.
Yeah. We got the comparison, the side by side.
Yeah.
Squad, what do you think? What's the status?
I'm saying no, you know, pretty cool saying no. But we gonna see.
I have not been here before, so it's a new experience.
It's looking possible.
Possible. Carol, what do you say? It has to be it. I guess we gonna see. Olga, what do you say?
Let's just get it.
You said fuck this. 30 God.
Okay, it's not it, bro. It was a lot.
I say it's not it.
It's not it. It's not it.
It's not it.
Let's see.
I'm looking for the photo. Where's the comparison?
Where's the comparison? So we got outvoted. They say it's not it, so we're going back. Not even gonna explore this beautiful waterfall, but it's all good because I feel like something better is coming. We fucking did it! Woo!
Baby, come on. Let's get it.
Let's get it! That's too crazy. I hit the stairs real quick. Let's get it. Let's not die. Woo! You fucking did it.
How do you feel?
You fucking did it. I feel fucking amazing. We're about to go swimming. We're gonna go under the falls. Like, it's crazy. We're just gonna go on an expedition right now. Like, this is just the fucking beginning. This is too exclusive right now.
You're about to bust your ass on camera? On camera, though.
On camera. We set up over here by the waterfall. Just like hanging out. Look at this gorgeous view. I'm feeling so blessed right now. Guys, are you feeling blessed? How blessed do you feel?
30 plus blessed.
We got the fucking strawberries and shit. Like, hey. It's lit. So we found a super dope location and we're about to shoot some pictures, but I really have to change like out on the side of the waterfall. Like, Carol's out here helping me. Like, let's get it. Look at this. That's really the side. Like, this shit looks crazy. Let's get this. We're out here about to get some dope pictures. I'm so excited. The site is absolutely phenomenal. Like, it's just been a great day. I'm really Bro, tell them what you are about to do.
I'm about to take the filthiest photo of the year, I promise you. You know, we got the 30 plus jacket on. We're about to get underneath this dope waterfall.
Bro.
Okay. And get it to the ground, and then hopefully, like, Nicki Minaj sees it.
Oh, shit.
After that, I don't know, but...
It is so wonderful over here. They're embarking on the journey. I just want to see what happens. I hope this does not turn into a hot situation. Because the waterfall looks hella serious. Holy shit, that's fucking mesmerizing. I'm really living life right now. They're getting closer to the waterfall. Oh shit! Oh shit! He's about to fucking go! Go 30 God! Woo! He probably cannot hear me. That water must be hella loud. Oh! Oh my god. What? How does it feel? That's crazy. He's really doing it for the fucking picture. 30 plus. Oh my god. Did he fall? Oh my god. I feel bad for laughing. 30. Are you alive? Ah! That's a hot situation. They're about to go through the waterfall. I'm kind of scared. Ah! It was a wonderful day, but now we are getting ready to head back because we are all super duper tired. But I just feel good. I feel wholesome. I feel fulfilled, you know, like I was one with nature today. And I'm happy that you guys joined me on this journey. Hello. 30 plus. Let's get it. They finally are ready after like 20 minutes of getting dressed. We are back at the bridge. This is going to be an interesting situation because we have gone through most of the difficult part of the hike. You know, we walked up all the hills. It was chilling. But now is the final stretch. The final mile. Let's get it. Oh my god, Carol's doing it!
Hey, I see you, Carol. Get this
Out here spreading that energy.
It's like bullshit this time.
I see you, Carol.
So we got across the bridge and we have to go check out this graffiti. It looks super dope. Bruh. Ah! I do not want to die right now. Yup, that's exclusive. You always gotta find the little gems wherever you go. It's that 30 plus vibe. Look at this one back here. That's crazy.
You wanna go on that one?
That one is filthy. It's so crispy.
That's fine.
Gotta hit the mini shoot over here. And look at those beautiful little rivers. Like, you don't ever know what you're gonna find when you go on these hikes because there's so many different little paths. Like, it's so beautiful out here. All kinds of stuff. Like what? Okay, we're about to get over there. Oh, he has a skirt.
We gotta get the exclusive pictures. Come on, Karina. Galaxy.
Oh, my bad. I know you're gonna hit the double. I see.
You know, out here in the woods, you know, getting in touch with nature.
30 plus.
30 King over there, repping 30 plus. 30plus.net. Shout out Galaxy Girl. Hey. Gotta kill it right there. Get it for the gram. That's filthy.
Did you get that, bro? 30 on them?
I did. It's a wrap.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this adventure as much as I did. I had such an amazing time. The view was absolutely stunning and I'm honestly speechless. Like, I feel so connected with the earth and nature and everything. Like, I feel like I need to go out and do stuff like this a lot more often.